Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Amy Starr with the Mesa Veterinary Clinic, Paws and Hooves Mobile Veterinary Services, and San Francisco Stables. So this week I wanted to go ahead and talk about puppy care and actually kitten care. It can be the same. When you get a new pet that comes into your household, whether it's a baby puppy or a baby kitten, there's certain things that you want to do to take care of that animal. First of all, obviously give it lots of love, lots of caring. As you're training it, make sure you're using lots of positive reinforcement. Just like us, we prefer to be praised for those things that we're doing well and be scolded as few times as possible. So when you're training your pet, make sure you're using lots of love and positive reinforcement. If it's doing something wrong, so just say no, no, and show it the appropriate activity to do, okay? Also, little ones, your little puppies and little kittens, they need to eat more often, so you want to make sure and feed them at least 3 times a day. That's really important so their blood sugar doesn't go too low and they don't have problems like seizures and comas. So make sure you're feeding them 3 times a day. Vaccines, they should all be starting their vaccines at 6 weeks old. At the very latest 8 weeks, but you want to start, because of the issues we have in El Paso with such high level of parvo and problems like that, you want to go ahead and try and start at 6 weeks old. They should also be receiving a dewormer at 6 weeks old. And then you can do the things at home, such as puppy and kitten care at home. Things like bathing them, cleaning their ears, brushing their teeth. Teach them young to allow these things. Trimming their toenails. All of these are activities that if you start when they're adults, then they may not appreciate it and they may not allow you to do those things as often. But if you start when they're puppies, they're kittens, when they're babies, they'll get used to it. And it'll be a lot easier to train them to allow you to do those things. Hold their little paws. Animals don't necessarily like their paws held. So teach them young to allow their paws to be held. Teach them young to allow different people to hold them, different people to look in their ears and look in their mouths. They need to be socialized. And although you don't want to take them to parks until they're fully vaccinated, you can have friends come over to your house and, take them to friends' house that have only fully vaccinated pets, so that they can get socialized and they can see other types of people and animals, because although they may be great with you, they may not be so great with other people, and you do want them to get socialized so that they can live a happy, comfortable life and not be stressed and traumatized and aggressive and things like that. Okay, the cleaning of the ears. I see lots of little puppies with very dirty ears, see lots of kittens with ear mites and fleas and stuff. So all that stuff needs to happen right away. We do strongly recommend that as soon as you get a puppy or kitten, bring it into the vet. Let us do an exam. Let us teach you what your pet needs for that stage of its life. Okay? As you can see behind here, I know it's a little bit backwards, but we do offer puppy and kitten wellness packages. Includes everything that they would need for the first year of life and a lot of discounts. So I just want to mention that as well. We hope you're having a great week. If you have any questions about your pet, please give us a call. And please bring in your new ones so we can get to know them, meet them, start building a relationship, and keep them healthy. All right, have a great week. Bye-bye.